Looking at this from the outside, you think, well, why wouldn't Congress just step in and provide the money? Why would you let this, very essential, vital agency just wither in the middle of all this? So the way to think about what USCIS does is that it's basically the federal agency under the Department of Homeland Security that runs the legal immigration system.
Mr. Marcos Torres?
Yes, that's me.
I'm Officer Taylor. I'll be conducting your interview today.
They're processing green card applications, citizenship applications, all of those things that allow immigrants in the United States to work and live and lead their lives. It generates revenue by charging fees for the benefits that all of these applicants are seeking. Immigration and the number of new people coming to the United States has plummeted. The number of visas that the State Department issues are down more than 90%. Its revenue since March is down by about 50%. And so, like any business that's been hurting during the pandemic, it's in big trouble right now. One of the challenges to any kind of bailout agreement being hammered out between Republicans and Democrats is that Democrats are furious at the Trump administration over any number of these immigration policies.
So the noble fight against the invisible enemy has inflicted a steep toll on the American workforce. Therefore, in order to protect American workers, I will be issuing a temporary suspension of immigration into the United States. You heard about that last night. By pausing immigration, we'll help put unemployed Americans first in line for jobs as America reopens.
I think Democrats also know that they can't push the administration too hard. Frankly, there are members of this administration close to the president who are trying to shrink the U.S. immigration system and who want deep cuts to legal immigration. And so if that happens through the starvation of the agency administering the legal immigration system, then I think there are people who would not be upset at that outcome. So the deadline for this bailout is about a month away, August 3rd. And that's when USCIS has warned that it's going to need to start furloughing these employees. So this is a really big deal because if USCIS has to furlough 2/3 of its workforce, then basically the U.S. immigration system comes to a near halt. That said, there are millions of immigrants who are here who have arrived before that who still need these services and they need these benefits, and they are woven into the fabric of American society and the U.S. economy. USCIS needs to be here for them. It really provides a crucial service in our country.